Welcome, my Magick Lotus tribe. Today we are reviewing, unboxing the Goddess Guidance Oracle cards from Doreen Virtue. And this deck comes with a booklet that gives you messages for each card. And that's what the back of the book looks like, with the picture of the author and description, and a description of the deck. And as you can see, it's beautiful colors, golden, yellows. It's just like royalty colors. And on the back, it gives you descriptions and little depictions of some of the cards in the back. And the gold trim on this deck is decadent. It is so beautiful. It just elevates the whole deck. And here we are. I'm going to show each card so you can see the beauty of the different goddesses that are depicted on the pictures. Enjoy. And that is the last card. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful deck. Thank you, my Magick Lotus tribe, for joining me. And subscribe below and comment. Blessed be.